So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7-day 7 oracle messages for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind this is general reading. It might or might not resonate. Even if it does, it's not your personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance. Don't take it as a life changing event of your life. Like your life depends on these readings. Whatever decisions you guys are going to make, it's your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Scorpio people for this week. Let's see what we have. The overall energy for Scorpio people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have the decision, release yourself from from that which holds you back. Something or someone might be holding you back in your life. Now the time has come for you guys to release yourself from that situation, that person, that thing that's holding you back. A need to detox. Maybe a physical detox, or maybe mental, emotional, or a digital detox. Take it how it resonates with you. A need of detox is there in this particular week for you guys. Unnecessary worry based on a lack of self confidence. You might be worried about something too much, as if like you cannot change it or control it or do anything about it. It's worry based on lack of self confidence. I don't think so it's something that is coming out of a knowing that something is changing or something is shifting. You can't do anything about it. It's just a lack of self confidence, not the real worry, right? Don't let your mind trick you into thinking that something is out of hands or you can't handle it or manage it. You can. Let's see the messages for per day. 27th, we have the Knight of Michael. Time to move quickly, choose logic over emotions, sudden changes. So the time has come for you guys to move quickly. You guys will be presented some kind of a situation, some kind of of an opportunity. If not taken care of, if you guys are not going to be quick enough, it can convert into a missed opportunity kind of a deal. And use your logic over your emotions on this particular day, especially if it is related to your job, career, finances, or your stability. Sudden unexpected changes are foreseen on this particular day that might or might be good or not so good, but sudden unexpected changes can happen. So don't worry about it. Just I don't think so it's a matter of worry. It's a matter of, oh my god, something is changing. It's like slight changes in plans or something. 27th, 28th, we have the moon card, the opportunity to improve your plans. You guys are going to get some kind of opportunity to improve your already set plans. Okay, listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Instead of listening to the whole world outside of you, try to start listening to yourself, your intuition. You are going to get more and more information, valuable informations and answers and guidance from within yourself rather than the whole world around you, right? Face your fears and grow stronger. Face your fears head on, which simply means that the more you are going to listen to your mind, the more your mind is going to create fears and stories and scenarios that are not actually true and that are never going to be true. But the more you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me face it, let me just cut through this illusion, the more you are going to grow stronger and much more peaceful. 27, 28, 29th, we have the Nine of Michael. Your worry is unnecessary. You might be worrying about something continuously and it's stupid. It's unnecessary. You don't have to worry about something or someone this much. Focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire. Focus on your thoughts on the outcome that you want in your life without being too attached to the outcome. Without being too attached to the outcome. Release feelings of regret, guilt, or worry to your angels. Okay, you guys might be living in some kind of regret or guilt and or worry about something that happened in the past, maybe long time ago. So now you cannot change the past, you cannot control the things that already happened. But all you can do from right now is release the guilt, regret, or worry and focus on things that you can change, that you can do from your side in order to have a good life ahead of you, right? That you can do and that you can focus on for sure. So we have 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have change your life. A sudden revelation that offers freedom. Something is going to be revealed to you that's going to offer you freedom. Might be it's not going to be something that you're expecting. Maybe it's going to bother you for some time, but it is the one thing that's going to offer you some kind of freedom. Break free of procrastination. Just do the things that you should be doing on this particular day only. Do not fall into the trap of procrastination, please. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Don't resist changes, Scorpio. Okay, embrace the opportunities that change is bringing in your life. That again, it is going to be uncomfortable for you to embrace the changes and the opportunities, but change is the only constant, and you have to keep on reminding yourself this thing again and again and again. Okay, so change is the only constant in all of our lives. First of May, we have the divine guidance, the search for meaning in life. On first of May, you guys might be feeling like, what is the purpose of my life? Why am I on this planet Earth? Who am I? These kind of questions may arise. So you might end up starting this search of for meaning of in your life, meaning of life. Consider an alternative approach. So you might be going in a situation in a particular direction with same kind of mindset, with some same kind of approach. Try to get some kind of advices from wise people around you, from maybe experts. They can help you to consider some kind of alternative approach in a particular direction, maybe especially related to a spiritual thing. Surround yourself with wise teachers or friends. The more you are going to surround yourself with wise people, wise teachers, wise friends, the more your life is going to be much more peaceful and sorted. Okay, so try to surround yourself with people, situations, or things, maybe books, like which are going to open up your mind and give you a new perspective, fresh perspective about life and about things in general. Okay, good. God. So we have 27, 28, 29, 30 first. 2nd of May, we have the 10 of Ariel. There is so very much to be grateful for. Cultivating the attitude of gratitude on this particular day is going to make you feel very, very happy from inside, very peaceful from inside, and you will be able to attract more and more prosperity, abundance, and happiness in your life. Financial success and the promise of retirement. You guys are going to set some kind of stone, like you guys might start a business deal, or you guys might start a different work, or you guys are going to get some kind of invest results of your investments, and it is going to give you the promise of a good retirement, a rich and rewarding family life. Your family life is going to be really very, very beautiful and positive. Focus on that also. Okay, connect with your people. 3rd of May, we have the Queen of Raphael. Follow your heart, a love for home and family, trustworthy psychic information. So I don't think so I have to explain this, but the more you are going to follow your heart and connect with people whom you love and who loves you, the more your heart is going to sing with joy and happiness. Okay, trustworthy psychic information. When you will be least expecting your intuition to give you some kind of information or to give you some kind of guidance, you will be able to get it. Just you have to trust it. You have to listen to it and trust it. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Scorpio. Oh my goodness, come here. 10 of Gabriel, ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. You can ask your angels if you believe in them. If you believe in spirit guides, you can ask them, gods, deities, whosoever, universe, existence. For me, existence is everything. So you can ask existence or whatever you believe in for helpful people to lighten your load. You might be working too much, or you might be working on so many things at the same time. So ask for helpful people around you so that your burden is going to be a little bit down. Working too many hours, or working on so many things at the same time is going to make a little bit difficult for you guys to keep going. Trying too hard to please others. Stop people pleasing, Scorpio, if you are into that, because it's not going to give you anything good in return. Focus on yourself and who you are, who you truly are, and be that. Okay, embrace that. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.